Welcome back to our breaking news coverage of the death of Michael Jackson. It's only been a little over 24 hours since Michael Jackson was pronounced dead. Well, a lot of legal questions are already cropping up. Let me bring in attorney Norman Goldman with us here on MSNBC tonight. Norm, a lot of Americans want to know about the custody of the children. What happens now?
Well, Ed, it's going to end up in court, and there are 3 kids, and the judge is going to go kid by kid because obviously not every child is with the same mother. So they're going to go kid by kid. And the legal standard is the best interests of the child. So the judge is going to be looking to see what is in the best interest of the child, whether this mother should be in custody of this kid or whether some other family member should get the custody ultimately.
Okay. Now, what about the legal issues surrounding his estate? He's $400 million reportedly in debt. Do you anticipate a lot of legal wrangling for the years to come?
Ed, this is going to keep half the lawyers in Los Angeles busy for the next 10 years at least. The litigation fest is going to begin very shortly. All the creditors are going to try and seize as many of his assets as they can. There are obviously streams of income coming in from music rights and things like that. There are all kinds of claims that family members and, of course, the children are going to have representatives saying, don't we get a share of our father's estate? So there's going to be a lot of claims, and there are going to be a lot of fights over paying the debts as well as, getting whatever income stream is there in the future.
And, Norm, what kind of liability concerns might the doctor have if he refused to sign the death certificate at the scene? That's what's being reported. What kind of liability concerns would be there?
Well, the doctor has to be worried about his license. First of all, with the State Board of Medical Quality Assurance here, they want to make sure that the doctor is following all the proper protocols and procedures. The DEA, the Drug Enforcement Administration, a federal agency, is likely going to take a look at that doctor to see whether there was an overprescription or abuse of prescription medications, kind of like we saw with Anna Nicole Smith. And, of course, the police are going to be investigating to see if there's any foul play involved. So if I were that doctor, I'd be lawyering up very quickly right about now.
Okay. L.A. attorney Norman Goldman with us tonight here on MSNBC. Thanks, Norm. For more, let me bring in L.A. Times reporter Harriet Ryan. Harriet, what about the doctor? What can you tell us? There seems to be a tremendous amount of intrigue surrounding, number one, the identity and